So okay, all right, guys. So uh, let's do a live trading video recording of Dow Jones study. And currently, I am into this trade. So I have short my position over here. It is around 46,386, and my stop loss is around 46,461. And the minimum target which I am looking to achieve is 1:2, which will be around 46,236. So let me give the logic behind this trade. So here I can see a clear resistance over here, and from there price has started going down, and here there's a support over here which you can see around 46,094 and 46,054, so in between that price range. So currently I am short in that trade, and let's see what the price does. So currently price is definitely going down, and my first target is about to hit, and my second target is definitely around 46,100, which will be a 1:3 ratio, I guess. Yeah, but currently let's try to achieve a 1:2 risk to reward ratio in this trade. So let's dive into 15-minute time frame and let's see what's going on. So yeah, currently I think that price might come to towards my target, and I'll be able to achieve my target within no time. Well, price is coming down a bit slowly, but I hope my target will be achieved in next 15-minute time frame. Next 15-minute window. So let's hope for the best. Yeah, just consolidating a little bit, but let's see what happens, guys. What happens? Well, yeah. So yeah, currently I already moved my stop to my entry level. So even though if I won't achieve my target, I won't lose anything, because yeah, that's the ultimate goal of trading, that even though you make profit or not, but just don't lose money, because in trading gaining profit, it's a secondary thing, but survival is the primary thing. So in trading it's more important to survive than earning profit, because markets are gonna last forever, but your capital won't. So you have to do a proper risk management. So let's see what will happen. Let's have a look on Nasdaq. Yes, the US rate also seems a little bit bearish. Yes. 30-minute time frame. We can see that there's a resistance over here, but there's also a support over here, which is around 24,500. So if it breaks the support, then it's gonna fall down. And on daily time frame, it seems like it's gonna break the support. But yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, so I don't think so that it's gonna. Dow Jones is giving me a hard time right now. I just hope that. Oh, well, right. So it's still consolidating near this area, which is around 46,335 to 46,335 to 46,300. Here you can see just like around 40 points far from my target. Yeah, well, I hope it just hits my target and doesn't take my stop loss. Well, because I'm already a ratio of 1 is to 1.36, you can clearly see over here. So I'm already halfway over there. Well, yeah, I can still book my partials over here, but I'm waiting for my target to get hit because I think, and I'm confident enough that it will hit my target. So let's see how it goes. Nasdaq looking strong over here. You can see it's forming bullish candles from exactly from the support which I've drawn, which is around 24,500. Here you can see it's kind of going upwards, and Dow Jones still consolidating. It's stuck in this range. I just hope it hits my target, man. Let's see. Let's have a look on view how it's acting. Well, here you can see that there's a resistance over here which is around 1.35326 and 1.35254. That's my area of resistance. And currently I have a short position open in GU. So I opened the short position somewhere around here. And my stop loss is exactly above this level. And yeah, target would be 1:2, which is exactly around this bullish candle which formed during the news, the US non-farming news. So let's see what happens in GU as well. Well, in GU you can see that there's a small support over here as well. So maybe it can bounce back from here, or you can just break the support from here. Well, if it bounces back from here, then I'll just go bullish, because then I think GU will easily break this resistance and will go up higher. So let's see whatever happens. GU looks a little bit strong, and it does look a little bit bullish, but just trying to capture this move from the resistance here. What about US30? Let's near to my top area. Let's see what happens, man. Well, nearly around my top area, Dow Jones study. But let's have a look at GBP. So GU is exactly around my support area, and let's see. I hope it breaks down, otherwise it's gonna go up and it's gonna pump. And I think maybe the next resistance will be around here, which is 1.35606 to 1.35544. That's my new resistance area. It reaches this support area and then comes up. Yeah. Well, guys, so as you can see, I am out of this trade. So I got stopped out of US30, which is Dow Jones. Uh, well, it hit my stop. Well, it's fine. I'm not really concerned about it. Because I did set a stop loss and it just hit my stop loss, so it's fine. I'm just happy that I followed my rules. But let's take a look on GBP, like what happened to GBP, what happened to my GBPUSD trade. So as you can see that I did get a 1:2 ratio in GBPUSD, and it did hit my profit. So yeah, I did book partials over here because I was almost near to my profit target. So I did book my 90% quantity over here, and I'm just left with 10% quantity. And I have brought my stop loss to break even, which is about here. Yeah, so let's see what happens to that to that to this trade. But yeah, currently I am profitable like all over, because though I got stopped out in US30, but I still booked decent profit in GBPUSD. So yeah, let's see what happens. Well, if GBPUSD continues to go upwards and then retest this level, which is like this, if GBPUSD goes upwards and retest this level and then comes back down, I'll add some more quantity over here, and my next profit target would be around here. So which is around you can see, which is around 134,600. Yeah. So that will be my next profit target if I do add some quantity. But until then, I'm just held in the trade with 10% of the quantity. So yeah, it's been a quite decent day for me. So let's hope for the best and let's see what happens in US30. So well, my look for US30 is that yeah. So well, my look for US30 is that if US30 comes back down and starts trading below this resistance area, so I will go below bearish on this trade again. I will re-enter with 50% of quantity in this trade, and if US30 starts trading down below this support level, I'll just buy 50%, like I'll just go bearish with 100% quantity and will just stay in the trade. And my next target would be around 46,100. Yeah. So but that all depends, if only if this US30 breaks down this resistance and it starts trading below this resistance, only then I'll just re-enter. Otherwise, I'm not going bullish today because my bias was bearish. So yeah, I won't be going bullish today because my bias was bearish. So let's see what happens in the second half. I'm just looking for a re-entry if there happens in US30. Because yeah, I am definitely going bearish if it crosses this support area, which is around 46,350, because then sellers will be really strong in the market, and those who bought over here, definitely their stop loss would be around 46,350, like below 46,350. And those who bought here must have started drilling down, and even their stop losses might have moved below 46,350. And yeah, if it starts trading down below this resistance level, and if it still continues and goes and breaks down this support, then it's definitely going down, which is I'm sure. So yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, my bias wasn't bullish, so I won't be trading on bullish side. So yeah, let's see. But yeah, GBP, I have quite booked a decent profit, so let's see what happens. Well, until then, yep, I will update you guys if I do take any more trades. But yeah, until then, I'm just holding this 10% of my GBP, and let's see until where it goes. Well, this 10% I will be taking a swing trade. Like I wouldn't book my profit. I'll just see where it goes, because maybe GBP can break this support and go down. So let's see. Well, in daily time frame, here you guys can see that in daily time frame, GBP can act bearish and it can start going down. So that might be a good percentage of profit if I hold this 10%. So yeah, let's see guys. If you like my videos, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of this kind, then just do let me know in the comments, and I'll be uploading more of this US30 and GBP and Nasdaq trades, like all over the like I'll be uploading more videos of Forex trades and my US30 and Nasdaq trades if you do want, or if you are interested in Forex. So yeah, just let me know in comment section. And if you want to learn the basics of trading, then still do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.